I'm going to teach the introduction of Python part first. So the basic agenda of this PPT should be introduce the basic Python. So first introduce what is Python. After that, the difference between programs and scripting language, and after that, the history of Python, scope of Python, why do people use Python, and installing Python IDE. IDE stands for the Integrated Development Environment. And next, who uses Python to this, and what can do with Python, and the simple basic programming execution in Python, and Python code execution and running Python. So let's just start. What is the Python? Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting rules. Scripting rule means that the scripting is the program where we cannot write the any data types like a equals to int equal to 5. मतलब scripting programming does not include the data types like integer, float and doubles. So Python is a programming language as well as a scripting language. So it's called a scripting language where we not declare any data types. And Python is also called interpreted language. Interpreted language is a language the first the convert all object into line wise line statement in Python, and whenever we find any errors the all termination will be stopped and correct these programs and recompile it. Next, difference between program and scripting language. Program is the set of code and instruction written in a computer and it's perform a specific task. So it is called the programs. And scripting is the code written in scripting language. Scripting language means that like JavaScript and another scripting language like XML. XML language is nothing but types of programming language in which we can write code to control another software application. It is the basically a simple code which is have to control the basic software applications. Next, history. The history of Python is to be initiated by the country which is known as the Netherlands. Invented it Netherlands and earlier in 19th century, and by the inventor of this language will be Judo van Rossum. The Python was conceived in the later 1918 and its implemented was started in December 1989. So it is basically initiated in December 1989. Gon Vidlusum is a fan of Montenegro Python's Flying Circus. It is the famous circus which is performed in a television show in Netherlands. The name after Montenegro Pythons. Before the name of his language is Python, we called it Monthly Python. So it is the open source for the beginners. Next, Python volunteers directors for the lives. It is the basically director of Python which has a basic course. Like Python is an experiment in how many freedoms programmers need. Too much freedom for nobody can read another code, too little and expensive need enhanced. Why why was Python created? Python originally created for the Python perceived need for the higher level programming language like Omeba operating system. This is the basic high level programming which is used in the special operating system are known as Omeba. It realized that the development of system administrator utilized in C was taking too long. It means that the after Omeba operating system we used high level programming in spite of Python and we uses C language. And C language is not more comfortable as compared to Python. So Python replace C language. Scope of Python. There are so many scope in Python language. It has a variety of application performed in various sectors like science, biometrics, system administrations, Unix, web logics, web apps, and web application development, CGI, Pythons, and testing scripting. Thanks for watching.